How to convert your PayPal currency. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to convert your PayPal currency on this platform. So first thing, you need to go to your wallet that is on the upper side of the website. When you click on wallet, there you will be able to see your PayPal balance. So as you can see on my PayPal account, there are two currencies that I have. One is the Philippine peso and the other is the US dollars. So one way for you to quickly calculate or convert the currency here is that you can actually click on the three dots menu, and then it will have you the option to convert the currency. But since there's no balance on the account, we can do a quick calculation on how to convert the currency by clicking on currency calculator. And let's say I already have $1,000 or 1,000 pesos on my account, and then if we convert that to US dollars, that would be $17.79. And that's about it. That's how you convert the currency on the PayPal platform. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching.